Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the CV joint on Peugeot 307. This is the CV joint and the CV boot right there. You can see the CV boot is torn, so we're going to replace the CV boot. First, to start by removing the wheel. Next, we're going to remove the nut for the CV joint and also that bolt that's holding the ball joint to the wheel hub. That's the nut for the CV joint removed. Now I'm going to try to press the CV joint in, but it doesn't seem to go in, so I'm going to put the bolt on and I'm going to hammer it a little bit until I get the CV joint moving from the wheel hub. Here we can see it started moving a little bit, so now I'm going to remove the nut and I'm going to start removing the bolt for the ball joint. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the videos I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. That's the bolt removed. Now I'm going to remove the ball joint from the steering knuckle. That's the ball joint removed. Next I'm going to remove the CV joint from the wheel hub. That's the CV joint out of the wheel hub. Next I'm going to remove the CV boot. First I need to remove the two metal clamps and then I'm going to cut the CV boot. That's the CV boot removed. Now I'm going to clean the CV axle a little bit with a cloth and then I'm going to put on the new CV boot. To put on the new CV boot I'm going to use my CV boot expansion tool and I'm going to put the CV boot through the CV joint. Make sure you use universal CV boot if you're going to use this method. We can see the CV boot is expanded, so we put it through the CV joint. Now I'm going to remove my tool and I'm going to put my CV boot on. I'm going to put some grease on and put on the two metal clamps. Now the Dumbeto clamps are on, that's the CV boot replaced. Now I'm going to put the CV joint back into the wheel hub and I'm going to assemble everything in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.